I just did a major chop on my citronella plants and I've got 2 new cuttings, so it's time to propagate them. Citronella is probably one of the easiest things to propagate because as soon as you cut them, you just have a few steps and it will immediately root. To start, I remove about 1 inch of the bottom leaves, and a lot of times you'll end up removing smaller branches, and it's very hit or miss on whether or not they will propagate, but sometimes I just like to try for fun. After putting those to the side, I'm moving on to the second cutting and repeating the same thing. I'm just removing about 1 inch of those bottom leaves. This cutting only had leaves and they don't propagate, so you can leave them around the house for aroma, or you can even make tea. With all of the cuttings ready, I am just going to pot them straight into soil. I just use a well-draining mix and then just stick the cutting right in. I then stuck the second plant in, and then I added those little branches. We'll see if they propagate, but then I'm going to thoroughly water both plants. It takes the cuttings about a couple days to root, but I like to be on the safe side and give them a week to 2 weeks of moistened but not wet soil, and eventually they'll develop their root system. And with that, these guys are all set and they are off to the plant shelf.